The rest of the blades have arrived, and I think they goofed up the order because they got another one of those. That's I think the third one now. I didn't want 3 of those. I don't think I ordered 3 of those, but it's just cheap junk made in China, so what do you expect? Anyways, the other blades that we got is this 16-inch one. This is super flimsy. Let's just check this. This one is also like dirty and just kind of gross. It's translucent, which is interesting. Doesn't appear to be warped at all. It to me just seems like an average, cheap 16-inch oscillation span blade of the day, which of course is probably exactly what it's meant to replace. It's super flimsy, but it doesn't look too bad, I guess, if you really need a blade that works. And then this one to me seems like it offers the most promise. This one is this is an 18-inch blade, and it's got decent pitch to it, okay, and it's pretty sturdy. Like, it doesn't flex at all, really. It's made of pretty thick plastic, and it looks like it's in decent clock. So this one I have the most hope for. Ironically enough, the thing is busted. Let me get a good picture of this because I'm probably going to call and ask for a refund because it's broken. Oh, where did that piece go? Oh, here it is. Looks like this, it's kind of an odd failure, but that's what happened. I don't know what the deal is with this. Is this just like super flimsy plastic or what? But whatever. I'm gonna go with the stinking tape again. Too much tape all the time. So, yeah. This kind of looks like the blade that's used on those Medea box fans. The center is all open so the air can pass through, which is kind of interesting. I have a fan I want to try to put this on. It is this fan here. This is an 18 inches pedestal fan. It's just super loud and doesn't move a whole lot of air the way it is. So I'm wondering if that other blade would operate better. It probably would, but the dilemma here is that the shaft is not threaded because the blade is on there with a set screw. So I'm not sure if I'd be able to get it on there or not. I don't know, but I'll find something to get it on because I definitely want to try it. It could also just be obnoxiously loud too. There was a fan that used a blade similar to this. It was ultimately a Medea made product, and I believe it was sold under both the SMC and the Hampton Bay brands. It was a white oscillations pedestal fan, and it must have been 18 inches, I think. It was a pretty big fan. It could have even been 20 inches. And I remember there was one at a local pizza restaurant for many years being used in the restaurant. I would really like to find one of those. I think Cole has one. I've seen a video of it on his page before. I believe his is the SMC one, but it's pretty much the same fan. So anyways, we got 2 more blades to try out. This one I'm definitely intrigued by. It's got some weight to it. This one doesn't really weigh much of anything. So that's the rest of the blades, I think. Unless any more of them show up. These are all